Hey guys, Mr. Fright here, and today we're going to be unboxing and setting up Towering Sweet Dreams Clown. My bad. Let's get into it. I've wanted this prop for 4 years. 4 years. And I finally got it. Whew, I'm going to build it. If I can open it. Okay. Ooh. And it comes with its very own step pad. That's actually really cool. Comes with a step pad. Good job, Morris. Your props come with step pads. Got foam poles. First Morris prop. Instructions. Got an arm with the little child on it. Got the other arm. Got the shoes. One's kind of bent though, for some reason. Got the black shoes. And this is just like Creepy Towering Clown. Got the shoulder piece, the spine, mechanism, and hip loop. Whew. Got the head. Oh my goodness. This thing looks super deformed. Whoa. It's very deformed. I'll have to put some stuffing in it. Maybe that will do the trick. Fix it up a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Looks a little weird, but got long hair too. Got more poles, or foam, I mean, got more foam. And then at the bottom here, oh, got Sweet Dreams' clothes. And the adapter. And got the base and the leg poles. Let's get this big box out of the way. Alright, I'm going to have to go get some scissors. I'll be right back.
Wakey, wakey.
Alright. Gotta cut zip ties here. And then we will start the build. And when I was building Collector's Minions, it was like, that video was like 16 minutes. So maybe I'll speed up the building process. Maybe I won't, we'll see. Only time will tell. Let's see. This one's kind of tricky. There we go. One more. Sorry. I bumped into the wall. So we're cutting off the zip ties right now. Second. Okay, there's a... Oh, never mind. Came off. Ah! That hurt. That actually kind of hurt. We got things in the way of the camera. Shoo. Oh, okay then. My light fell down. Right, so we got the base. Holy moly, this base is pretty big. That's gonna take up a little space. Okay, so let's get the instructions. and we will start the build in process. So, easy assembly. Well, Morris, let's see how easy it is. Ah! There's another zip tie. There's another zip tie. Ah! There's another zip tie. There we go. What are these? And they're the wrong ones. Oh my goodness, zip tie. You know what? Zip ties are my enemy. Why? This video is at 6 minutes already, and it's me cutting zip ties. You know what? This is taking way too long. I'm going to pause it until I'm fully ready to start assembling the prop. I decided to speed this clip up because the video was taking too long already. So, yes, here's me building Sweet Dreams. And now it's time to listen to some very good music. He needs some fixing. I could not find the wire at first to light up his eyes, so I had to look harder for it, and I found it. And I had to do a few adjustments, but now, after he's fully functional now, and he looks great. Here's the demo.
Oh, look what I have here. A new volunteer from my juggling act. Looks like I have a live one. But not for long.
Alright guys, I'm laying on my bed now, because I am so exhausted. I've had a long day. It's like 5 o'clock right now, and I just need to sit down for a minute. But yes, Sweet Dreams Clown is now in my room. He's 7 feet, almost touching my ceiling. Maybe like, I think he's like 7 feet and 3 inches. He probably would have been taller than Slim if I still had him. But he's a very cool prop. He was kind of difficult to build at some points. because I couldn't find one of the wires. It turns out it was in his head. I had to get it, grab it. But connected the wires. It works perfectly. Very cool. That's why in the first demo his eyes weren't lighting up. But yeah, we got everything fixed. And now he works perfectly. And really like all the detail on this guy. His face is a little messed up. Maybe I'll put some stuffing in it like I did for never mind. Yeah, I feel like Sweet Dreams and Hugs are a better combo than than Towering Clown and Hugs. I'm not sure. I don't know. I feel like all three of them would go perfect together. But my Towering Clown is broken. I wish that he could be fixed, but he can't. If he could, I would put him on the other side here. That'd be awesome, but fortunately that's not gonna happen. I could put 2 scoops on the other side, but I'm not sure if I really want to. I have a feeling I'll get one more animatronic for Christmas, because we have like Christmas parties, and I went to my grandma's Christmas party today and I got Sweet Dreams. And maybe on Christmas Day I'll get Heckles or something. Another prop that I asked for, nozzles, and I'll put it over here. I'll probably put Shorty where Collector's Minions is, and then put the new prop here where Shorty is currently, and then bring Collector's Minions downstairs with the rest of my animatronics. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. This has been Mr. Fright, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.